By replacing the fuel injectors, you can easily fix the P0420 error code by yourself. P0420 is one of the most common error codes. It means your catalyst system efficiency below threshold near engine bank 1, which indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. If you are getting a P0420 error code, this video is going to show you a practical solution to fix the error code at home. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals, and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set, otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. So here is a practical solution to fix the P0420 error code. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.